I wish you a very good day and a very warm welcome to another service reset video. Today, I would like to join you in resetting the service on a Mercedes ML-W164, which has a 3-liter diesel engine and is from the end of 2010. We are going to reset the service on this one, and I will show you exactly how you can do that right now. I would say it goes like this. That should be fine now. Turn the fans off. So, we turn it to position 1, ignition to position 1. Then, we simply press this button here. Then this button. Okay, until the mileage appears, then we press this 3 times right here. Boom, then you'll see the voltage display, then we press the up arrow here. Alright, then we're in the service menu, then we go down here once to confirm. We can also take a look at the service data, for example. So to confirm, we always have to press this button here. So, we are 146 days overdue now. Then we will go back here once more. Then we can now confirm this whole thing. The button, then we'll go here to reset the entire service now. Been reset. Let's go back for just a moment. We can take a look at the service data right here. We have to reset that once again, confirm the position, which service we've performed. Special tasks. Position confirmed. We are currently checking the service data. Alright then, so right now we have 165 days still remaining, but there are still a total of 13,390 kilometers left to go. Let us just go ahead and try that one more time for us right now. Calculating. So usually you just have to move position 3 back. And then the whole thing should fit again. I'm calculating it now. So once it's done calculating the whole thing, we can go back in here again. Service data, and then we have the 25,365 right here. Alright, that's pretty much it. Yeah guys, it's really that quick and easy to reset it. And yeah, there's not much else to say. Except, let us know in the comments below which other cars we should reset the service on. We've already got a whole ton of service reset videos. Yeah, if this helped you out, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. See you next time. Bye.